If you need to reset your two-factor authentication on PayPal, follow these steps to regain access to your account securely. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Visit the PayPal website and log in using your email and password. If you cannot log in due to two-factor authentication issues, click on the Having Trouble link for assistance. Step 2. Access security settings. Once logged in, navigate to the settings gear icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Security to access your security settings. Step 3. Manage two-factor authentication. In the security settings, look for the section labeled Two-Step Verification or Two-Factor Authentication. Click on the option to manage or edit this feature. Step 4. Choose Reset option. You should see an option to reset or disable two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to either reset the authentication method or disable it temporarily, depending on your needs. Step 5. Set up new two-factor authentication. After resetting, you can set up two-factor authentication again. Choose your preferred method such as SMS or an authentication app and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Once you have completed these steps, your two-factor authentication will be reset and you can continue using your PayPal account securely. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to PayPal customer support for further assistance.